welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, Dad, can you undo that? Before we get started, please subscribe and turn notifications to thumbs up. Today we're actually gonna do something random. We're actually gonna put stuff in this bowl and mix it up and see what it turns out to be. And I think it's gonna be absolutely weird. And today, Daddy might help us with a little bit. Dad, do you wanna help us?
Yep, I think I'll have to help you a little.
Okay, I think Daddy's gonna get the ingredients for me while I do this. Okay, so first, Dad, can you go get a few cups of water? Well, actually, I need a big cup.
Here, look, first, why don't you put a little bit of oil in it? Let's put a little bit of cooking oil. Here, just put a little tiny bit in this.
Okay.
A quarter cup here.
I can't open it.
Okay, here, you hold this.
Okay.
All right, here, we'll put a little bit of
Don't
oil.
get any on my hands.
Put a little bit of oil. All right, there you go. Put that in there.
Ooh.
All right, here, we'll put a little bit of corn syrup. You're going to put a little corn syrup in there. I'm not sure.
We're going to mix it up.
Not sure what's going to happen here. Okay, here. I'm going to put a little bit of, a little bit of corn syrup.
Okay. Ooh. Is there any soap that we don't use?
Not even sure what corn syrup is.
Ooh.
Okay.
Guys, this looks disgusting.
Now,
Dad,
here. Let's put
a
little flour in it.
Yeah.
A little bit of flour here. Here, hold that up there.
Okay, that's it.
Here, put some flour in there.
Ooh.
Some flour.
It looks super gross.
Some oil. Some.
Okay.
Here,
We're making something
just for no reason at all, we're gonna throw some croutons in there.
Ew!
Just because.
No, I don't want it.
There we go. We're gonna put some croutons in there.
Ew. Ew, guys. This looks so bad. I'm actually gonna make a few bowls.
Gonna put a little bit of Coke Zero. There we go. Put a little Coke Zero in there.
Ooh. Guys, this looks actually disgusting.
Looks really disgusting. It looks pretty.
Yeah, it looks like throw up. Blech.
Let's see. We're gonna put a little bit of Italian dressing.
Ew!
Let's put a little Italian dressing.
Ah!
All right, there we go.
Guys, don't do this at home. This looks just like puke and it smells so bad. Oh, I smell a lot of bad stuff.
Yeah, pizza sauce.
Okay,
yeah,
I'll
a little bit of pizza sauce. Here you go. You go ahead and squeeze some pizza sauce in there. Yeah, fill it up. There you go.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it smells so bad, guys. Oh, this does look like puke.
I need to take care of these dishes.
Okay, guys, we need to start over. This looks so bad. Dad, can you try again? This looks bad. Terribly bad.
That's the whole point.
Oh my gosh, guys, do you see this? Ugh. Oh, guys, look how bad that looks. That looks so bad. Guys, we need to start over.
All right, now we're gonna put a little bit of
Where's
mocha coffee, mate.
We need some mocha.
Here we go. Whoa, whoa. Oh, is this any? This might be expired.
Oh, okay.
April 2019.
Actually,
I don't trust that. What's this other one say?
Daddy, I dare you to taste some of this.
April 2019.
I dare you to try some of this.
There's no way I'm trying some of that.
Ew.
This is crazy stuff here, people. Look at that.
I already showed them.
Look at that. It's nasty. It's nasty.
Guys, don't try this at home. Should we add some sugar to make it smell? We should put something yummy in it so it smells a little bit better than it is. Should we put some honey?
Here.
Let's put some marshmallows.
I got some ideas.
Should we put some honey?
We're going to throw some marshmallows in there.
Should we put some honey?
No, I'm not wasting that honey. That's good honey.
Okay.
Here, we're going to put some vanilla extract in it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Does that smell good? Oh, we need a lot.
There. Put a little bit of.
Oh, it still smells really bad.
Vanilla.
It smells really bad.
Wait, only a little bit. Yeah, we'll throw some marshmallows in there.
I only wanted to add a little bit more because it still smells kind of bad.
Here.
Okay. Ew! This still looks like kind of like throw up. Okay, stop. I don't want to. Ooh! Guys, I guess I can eat this.
All right.
Okay. Now I just need to mix this up. Do we have a blender?
Oh, we're not taking a blender to that thing.
Why?
Oh, right. Here, we'll put a little sugar in it. Look at it. Sugar.
Okay, that's it.
Maybe we should bake it.
Okay.
Put it in the oven and bake
Daddy,
it.
I can't handle it anymore. It's
What
too
if we put it in
gross.
the oven and bake it and see what happens? Let's put a little more flour in there.
Okay. Okay, guys. This actually looks gross. Ooh. Oh, Dad, look how bad this.
It's like the grossest thing I've ever seen before.
I can't. Dad, can we empty it? Can we wash it? That's gross. I can't take it. It looks so bad. Can we redo it? I didn't mean to look that bad. Daddy,
What?
I want to empty it so bad. It looks so bad.
Okay.
It looks so bad, guys. And I also want to wash this.
Whoops.
Ah! Sorry, guys.
My bad. We'll be back.